So don't let that go over your head.
Please, that was really modest, man. That's a yearly salary right
all right,
there.
so yeah, I want to let's talk.
Hold on, real quick, one more time. How old are you?
13.
So I first met my guy when we was speaking with ET. Shout out to Marquell, because Marquell was solid enough to put me on the platform before anyone knew me, just like y'all before, so y'all helped me pop. So I met him there, and I was like, yo, this kid knows his stuff, and I didn't know any of this when I was a kid, right? So run that number again past what you hit. I just want the people to hear.
$78,000.
So the reason why I wanted him on is to show, regardless of age, this is possible. We're the only culture that this has been hidden from. He's young, right? Mm-hmm. So if he can do it, you can do it too. But no, I'm gonna let you rock. I just wanted to jump in and let that, because it brings me so much joy. Because you've been doing this since you was 8 and 9. You were speaking at 8 and 9.
Yeah. So a brief timeline is basically I actually ended up writing my first book called The Win Within at 8 years old.
Yep.
It's based off my story where I was getting bullied by my teammates on the football field. It's about faith, family, and football. And then this is at the time we was living in Florida. So from there, we actually ended up leaving the country and going to Germany. And while we were in Germany, that's where I ended up, developing, but finding about what investing is and finding out about the stock market. Because I don't know if you guys remember, there was a story about, I think, 2013, about a 14-year-old who had made $50,000 of buying Nike stock. So anybody, I wanted to see how he did it. And I began asking my mom if she could teach me how to invest in the stock market, because I'm trying to make that kind of money. At the time, I was around 9 years old, so she didn't really take me seriously because she thought I was just playing around, just saying that because, people change their minds all the time.
Yeah.